As the world's technology advances and as the population increases, the amount of data generation, collection, and sorting, and the results of all of this data analysis, fairly time-consuming, but that's beginning to alter with the appearance of a process known as machine learning. One kind of computer program is machine learning, the technology that enables computer programs to they develop and learn on their own. In the past, computers could only perform tasks that we to do as they were instructed by machine, but learning how to act like people and the ability to learn from their past. This process can become quite interesting, complex, but this is how it operates on a, let's say we want a program at the most basic level that can differentiate between apples and bananas will be served first. Then, the program will search for patterns in the fruit and begin to recall them. Can then look back on these memories to images of apples and bananas without labels, and decide which is which on your own. Whether you like it or not, you probably run into machine learning is used every day. Social. It is used by media sites to create your feed based on your search and preference. It helps engines run more accurately. Among the outcomes of their search is also being larger scale use of the medical. The business sector is using machine learning too, such as estimating lifespans, arranging patient information, even identifying specific diseases. Similar to many new technologies, there is a worry that artificial intelligence may eliminate some positions as a result. Differ from one industry to another, but it has the potential to eliminate or change several professions, including motorists, bankers, and possibly even, while it may have some doctors, negative outcomes, many people think that the advantages will outweigh the drawbacks.